Yo guys, what's up? We're back with another video, and today we're going to be playing this game, basket and ball. I think I've played it once before, maybe not, but I know there is a second one. No, there might be a second one, I don't know. What is it? Right, okay. Right. Okay, right, so sick. Nice. Alright guys, so next level, let's go. Oh yeah, you can also. So if you hit spacebar 10 times, it'll just go really high, like watch this. It's already telling me to do that. Okay. Got him. Oh, okay. That's just great, isn't it? Alright, so we need to go full. Let's go. Swish. Alright, next level. This isn't as glitchy as I thought it'd be. What? Oh. Yeah. It's already. Oh, I thought this one was good. Wait. Alright, there's a star up there, isn't there? No, I don't want to go in yet. Nope. Not going yet. Got him. Told you. Great, now I can't even get in it. What are you doing? Alright. Where's the other one? There. Fair enough. Right, this is going to be a bit hard to escape. Okay. What if I just do this? Oh, glitch on it. Let's go. Unlucky me. Come on. Let's go. Let's get it. Okay. Kind of just wanted that. Oh, damn it! Boom. Body doo. Let's get it. I really want this. Damn it. I don't know why I want the stars, I just want them. Boom. Oh, come on. Oh, lucky. Right, let's get it. Let's get it. Right, okay. So, okay, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, let's get it. Yes. Yeah, let's get it. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, we got 2 stars. Restart. Boom, let's get him. Right. Star get, yes. Yeah, let's get him. Right, there's a star up here, I know it. Okay, yeah, let's get him. Oh my god. Yep. 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 Okay. Right. And restart. Okay, right. I'm gonna see if trying not to get the stars. Yes. Try not to get the stars. It gets you anywhere. Yes, it will. Yeah, so guys, if you're finding a level too hard, just don't get the stars. Wait, we're timed? Okay. Okay, that's bad. Yes, let's go. Alright, nice. This time might be bad. Oh, see. Yeah, so if there's a level too hard, just don't get it. Shootout challenge. Watch it play. Okay, let's get him. Let's get him. Let's get him. Right, I kind of want to try and get the stars. Nice, okay. Nice, okay. Do we get more than one turn? Right. Uh-huh. 2 turns. Let's get him. Let's. Yeah. Collect all 3 stars, win immediately. One shot. More. Let's get it. No. But collect. Okay. Alright. A win? Okay, yeah, because I got a. Okay. Yeah, let's. Oh, ho, ho! Want to play like that? Want to play like that? Oh, that looks a bit better of a shot. Yeah, let's go. Alright, yeah. One more shot. Right, I'm gonna oh, come on. I kinda want to redo this because I didn't get all the scores. Yeah. Right, yeah, that's fine. Yes, 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 yes. Right. Oh. Damn it, right. How do... Oh, damn it. Yeah, that's perfect. Right, well, I still don't get all 3 stars. Yes, that's in, right? Right, let's get this last one in. No, what are you doing? Oh, come on. Oh, God. Right, I just don't care anymore. Right, let's retry this one. How do I win? Once more this is. don't, yeah. Yeah, let's get him. Yep, okay. Right, we need to get this last one in. Yes, let's go. Right, next level. Right, I think this is going to be the last one. Right. Yes, escape. No, what are you doing? What's... Oh. Right, so... Oh, well, you're hard. You're so hard. No, you know... No, 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 no. No. Let's go. Let's get him. Right. Shootout challenge. Right. Escape. Right. How am I supposed to get some of these? Or can we bounce? Okay. Okay. How do they know? Oh, okay. I think I get him. Right. Right. Let's get right in. Oh, we almost had that. We almost had it. Oh, unlucky. One more shot. Let's get him. Right, it was a bit, right, that's... No! Oh, okay. Boom. You don't need to die. You are so hard. 2 shots more. Right, so we need potato. Oh yeah, we can just do that, can't we? We need this. Okay, lower. Oh! Oh! Yes! Let's get him! Right, nice. Right, where's the other? Right, let's get him. Right. Let's go. Oh, you piece of... We just did that. Right. Oh. Right. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I might revisit this game and I'm sorry if I was shouting. I had headphones. And yeah, guys, if you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, blah blah blah, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.